Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to get your driver's license in Florida. So the first thing you're going to need to do is do a driver's ed course. So if you go to aceable.com, this is a website we've used before for the online driver's ed certification. So click driver's ed and then find Florida on the list and click that. And then hit choose your course. There are 3 courses here. There's the Florida Drug and Alcohol course for $20. There's the Florida Permit Test for $25. And then there's the Drug and Alcohol course and permit test for $39. Whichever course fits you best, go ahead and click that and do the course. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to go to a website. It's actually flhsmv.gov. Again, that's flhsmv.gov. And you're going to go to driver's license and ID cards. And over here on the right, you're going to say make an appointment because you've already taken your driver's ed class. And you're going to go down and it has a list of all of the locations for different counties. I'm going to go ahead and click Charlotte. And Charlotte County has a few options for where to go to get your ID or your driver's license. I'm going to go to the second one in Murdoch and then click book appointment. And it's going to ask what whether you want an e-ticket or book an appointment. You want to book an appointment, and it's going to ask what appointment you want. We're going to do a driver's license or ID card, and then it's going to ask which test you want to take. We want to take the written test, and then there are different offices you can go to take the test. We're going to go ahead and pick Englewood, and then here's a list of the times available and the dates. I'm going to go ahead and click 9 a.m. on Friday. Click next. And then you're going to fill in your information here, giving them all the information they need to book the appointment. And there you have it. Now you just have to show up to the clerk's office and take the test. And that's how you get your driver's license in Florida. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe.